Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an unfiltered mechanical evaluation of Constant Contact, investigating whether this industry pioneer remains the undisputed champion of small business marketing or a predatory, outdated subscription trap that quietly drains your monthly budget. Moving past basic text broadcasts, Constant Contact has overhauled its platform layout by embedding a native predictive AI content builder alongside an updated automation path builder designed to integrate email, social channels, and SMS marketing workflows onto a single timeline. The absolute functional triumph of this ecosystem is its foolproof list deliverability rate and exceptional event management engine, which allows neighborhood brands, nonprofits, and independent creators to orchestrate full ticket registrations and custom invite widgets directly inside their email campaigns without relying on clunky third-party app integrations. However, pulling back this beginner-friendly dashboard exposes rigid software boundaries and severe financial penalties that trigger massive community backlash across tech forums. The single most prominent hurdle is the platform's aggressive pricing structure. Unlike MailChimp or Brevo, it completely lacks a permanent free service tier, forcing you into a paid plan immediately. This is severely compounded by their subscriber count billing metric, meaning your monthly bill automatically spikes mid-cycle the exact second your database grows into a new tier, even if those added contacts are entirely inactive or unsubscribed. This friction is amplified by a notoriously inflexible template layout editor that restricts custom typography design, paired with a deliberately obscured customer service framework that forces users to place manual phone calls just to request a standard account cancellation. Ultimately, if you are a local organization or event planner demanding bulletproof inbox delivery and a simple, no-code broadcast box, the integrated tool suite offers a reliable asset. But if you demand complex behavioral workflows, prepare to pay heavy platform premiums. Audit your contact database, calculate the final list scaling costs, and leverage this marketing engine with absolute financial caution today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.